The Ego 56-volt Power Plus string trimmer was designed to tame even the most aggressive brush. It's equipped with a pro-level 12-inch dual line. The aluminum straight shaft gives you all the reach you need to comfortably work. A bump and feed line quickly extends to clean up edges, cut through weeds, or blaze a path through a field. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and up to 1 hour of runtime on a single charge give this trimmer all of the strength and longevity you need to get your work done. Stop weaving extension cords all over your yard. Work untethered. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus string trimmer, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.